Nagbabalik ang PTV Sports at ngayong araw makakasama natin these gentlemen from Zeus MMA, si Sir Bern Soriano, the founder and president, Mr. Franz Valentino from Marketing Comms at si Mr. MJ Esporas, the event director. Good morning po.
Morning.
Good morning po.
Ayan. So mga sirs, umpisahan na natin ang kwentuhan. Unahin ko na kaya Sir Bern. Sir Bern, ano ba ang Zeus MMA at how different this is from other MMA clubs or organization?
Si Zeus MMA is isang professional event and si Zeus MMA yung first sa Pilipinas na gagawin lahat ng tama para sa mga fighters. Of course, susunod sa mga rules and siyempre mga exciting lahat yung fights na ng mangyayari dito.
Sir, kailan po ba nabuo itong Zeus MMA at you mentioned na gagawin ang tama? Can you give us like one specific situation or scenario?
Okay, magto 2 years na siya. Actually, nung May last year. Kasi sabi ko gagawin ng tama. Kasi marami ngayong mga event na hindi ginagawa ng tama yung MMA. Like mga hindi sumusunod sa mga rules, ng gaming amusement board, walang mga lisensya. So sa Zeus MMA, gagawin natin lahat ng maayos, lahat ng tama, lahat may license.
Ayun. So, kasama po ba dito sa mga, yung tatanggalin natin, yung mga sumasali dito kasi, nauuso kasi partner yung mga sumasali sa mga combat sports, yung mga, tawag dito, mga YouTubers, mga vloggers. Kasali po ba dito, Sir Burns, yung mga ganun, tatanggalin natin, aayusin natin dito?
Yes, Sir Paolo, that's a good question. Dito sa Zeus MMA, we will make sure na standard talaga siya. So, yung sa mga YouTubers, pwede naman silang mag-pro MMA. Basta maayos lang yung training and of course, dadaan sa tamang proseso sa pagkuha ng lisensya.
Para naman kay Sir Franz. Sir Franz, how do you think this event will help professional fighters get noticed sa mundo ng MMA?
Yeah. This event, Zeus MMA, is created because of that idea, no? Kasi maraming mga magagaling na Filipino fighters na less privileged to have this platform na maganda yung production, na maganda yung TF. So, this will be the stepping stone din sa mga up-and-comers natin.
Ayan. For Sir MJ naman, sa tingin niyo, why is it important to give new adult fighters a quality platform katulad ng event na ito like Fight Night?
Well, it's very important na merong quality platform yung mga talented fighters natin. Marami tayong talented fighters sa Pilipinas. Fighting is in our blood eh. So ever since talagang dugong warrior tayo. The problem is hindi natin ma-develop to full potential yung mga local talents natin because we lack of the quality platform. Kaya nabuo yung Zeus through the initiative of our founder and president, Sir Bern Soriano. Ngayon, this upcoming event, what makes it really special is hindi lang siya professional fight. Magkakaroon din ng opportunity yung mga up-and-comer, yung mga amateur. And the best part is we are the first organization or professional MMA organization that will host youth MMA. Ayun, so as far as the platform is concerned, this is the quality platform na ilalatag natin para sa mga local talents natin.
Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi lalo na ngayon, hindi lang sa MMA, pati sa ibang sport, actually, na nakikita nila yung potential, lalo na ng mga atleta nating Pinoy. And sa combat sports, sabi nga ni Sir MJ, sabi niya, we are talagang born fighter. So kaya naman, I'm very proud to say na, alam mo yun, na nare-recognize ang talento at skill ng mga atletang Pinoy.
At saka hindi lang atletang Pinoy, mga kabataan na kumbaga parang nagsisilbi itong grassroots program din na para sa mga kabataan, mga young talents natin. Tama po ba yun, Sir Burns? Kahit sino po pwedeng sumagot sa inyo?
Meron pong mga kabataan po ba na young fighters sa division na to or sa event na to?
Yes, actually, in relation sa sinabi ni MJ, no? We are the first professional organization that hosts the Youth MMA in coordination with the Philippine MMA Federation in preparation for the Youth Olympics na sinama ng Olympic Committee of Asia ang MMA, especially of the youth. October this year, Bahrain will host the Olympics, and hopefully sa ating promotion makuha yung isa sa mga representative na youth MMA na atleta.
Pag sinabi niyo pong youth, ano po bang edad nito?
Yeah, good question. No, siya. The youth MMA is 17 below with tawag na to, with the special rules. Kasi ang pag sabi natin kasing MMA, nandiyan yung mga head strikes and the ground and pounds and all kind of submissions, nandiyan yan. But with youth MMA, this is designed by International MMA Federation for the fighters starting at the young age. Meaning to say, wala tong head strike of whatsoever, wala siyang ground and pound pagka tinake down mo. So, the thing is, yung mga youth MMA athletes, if they want to pursue this kind of career, mapoprolong yung kanilang career lifespan. Longevity ng kanilang career. Because nga maiwasan natin dito yung yung mga head traumas, mga concussion. So, kung mapapansin mo, sa mga ibang bansa, they already done it. Sa atin, we are going to start it with the help of Philippine MMA Federation.
Ayun. So partner, ano rin pala, no? Talagang dito kasi sa mga kabataan, lalong-lalo dito sa MMA, meron silang safety protocols din specifically designed para sa mga youth athletes.
Siyempre. Kay Sir Bern, I'm just curious, ano yung naging drive mo to start this Zeus MMA, lalo na including the young fighters?
Yes.
Again, I'm a former professional MMA fighter as well, international fighter. So, ginawa ko to kasi sabi nga ni MJ, fighting is in our blood. Filipino are natural fighters talaga. So, mas naging maayos siya kasi unang-una galing ako sa combat sports, ginagawa ko to dati. And gusto namin lahat na yung MMA sa Pilipinas is umangat, maging standard.
I see.
Ayun, no. Tama yun. Maganda to kasi malaking bagay din to para sa Philippine sports at lalong-lalo sa MMA na sport dahil gusto nga natin na palaguin pa or palawigin pa ang MMA sport. Pero kahit sino po pwedeng sumagot sa inyo, dito po, ano po bang abangan natin dito sa Zeus MMA other than dun sa mga babaguhin nating format, aayusin natin yung officiating. Ano po bang abangan natin? Ano pong mas interesante pa po other than dun sa mga nasabi natin kanina?
Well, we also want to take this opportunity para i-announce na rin na meron din kami big fight in May, but before that, we want to focus on this upcoming event on the 25th of April at DD Club. It's called Fight Night Road to Olympus. So again, this is a launch pad for the up-and-comers. And also, this is a quality platform for yung mga nag-i-exist ng pro fighters natin. So, what they can expect, syempre, we always guarantee an action-packed event. Given yung professional fighters na nasa card natin, hindi kayo madidisappoint. I highly recommend na panoorin nyo. Mas maganda kung live kasi sulit yung oras and yung effort nyo na makapunta. Maganda yung lineup, solid lineup. Our official matchmaker put it together, and I'm sure he could tell you more about the lineup na meron kami sa upcoming event.
Yun, for our lineup for this fight night, it consists of 4 professional bouts, 6 amateur bouts. 5 amateur bouts and 1 youth MMA. So every fight night, we will include at least 1 youth MMA para magkaroon ng chance yung mga youth natin to have this platform na pwede nating ipasa sa Olympics Commission or sa OCA na we have the youth na pwede mag-compete international.
Ayan. So, ang question ko po kay Sir Bern, you've been a professional fighter, lalo na dito sa event ninyo, syempre, paano ba makakamalaking factor, lalo na yung may camera, syempre, yung iba sa mga ating fighters, first time, I believe, na experience yung ganong setup. May camera, referees. How do you think will this be a factor sa ating mga fighters?
Actually, ma'am, yan yung big factor talaga. Kasi pag fighter ka, iba yung nagtitraining ka sa gym. Tapos magaling ka sa gym, magaling ka sa sparring. Pero pag sa laban, nag-iiba. So magandang question yon. So, being a professional fighter, lalo na pag nasa big stage ka, ang dapat mo gawin dyan is yung mental game. Yan yung pinaka-importante, yung mental game. Kasi yung physical game, nandiyan na yan eh. So, ang pinakamatinding gawin mo, lagi mong kausapan yung sarili mo before the fight. Kasi dyan talaga maglalaban. Kasi pag nagkaroon ka ng anxiety yung sa game itself, mawawala lahat ng pinaginsayuhan mo.
Yeah, nabanggit nyo na po yan. Nabibrief nyo po ba o na-orient nyo, lalo na yung mga young fighters ninyo, on what they can expect before the fight night?
Yes. Me as being a pro fighter before and as a coach as well, yun lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila na before the fight, laging mental game talaga. Lagi mo silang sinasabihan na ito na yung mangyayari na lahat. I mean, sa 2 months kayo nag-ensayo, sa 15 minutes na laban, dun nyo lang gagawin lahat ng mga pinag-ensayuhan nyo.
Buhos talaga yun, no?
Oo, buhos talaga. Pero yun na nga, no, nakita natin yung Zeus MMA. Pero lastly po, siguro, meron po ba kayong gustong i-promote, plug or kahit ano po?
Message po sa lahat.
We would like to invite all our viewers na supportahan yung Fight Night. Yung upcoming event namin is called Fight Night Road to Olympus. So again, kakaiba siya kasi hindi lang siya, is not just another MMA event eh. So bukod sa may pro fighters tayo na siguradong action-packed, meron din tayong mga amateur fights and yung youth MMA natin. Now, on top of that, I mentioned earlier, we are working on the big event. We cannot announce the details yet, pero that's something to look forward to as well. 2 events in the pipeline. We are doing our very best to do as many events as we could so we could provide the quality platform for our local talents.
Sir Franz, Sir, you can go ahead po if you have any message kay Sir Bern then.
So, guys, see you at April 25, DD Nightclub in Quezon City. And of course, sabi nga namin, after this, meron pa tayong mas malaking event. And we're doing this every 2 months, this fight night. So, please watch and support our local fighters.
Alright. Sir Franz?
Yeah, I would like to invite everyone then, sa tulad sabi ng mga kasama ko, to watch and support Fight Night, the Zeus Fight Road to Olympus this coming April 25 in DD Nightclub. And also, I would like to encourage yung mga mga local gyms natin, mga MMA team natin, to please guys, if you want to have this opportunity na lumaro and of course to compensate, please pass your profile to our FB page. Thank you.
Ano po yung social media platforms ninyo para doon nila tingnan yung inyong mga details?
We have Instagram. You can follow Zeus MMA PH. We will put it out on our social media. Meron din kaming Facebook. Doon makikita niyo yung mga videos. So, yeah, give us a follow, guys. Help us grow this community. Kasi, again, hindi lang to for the sake of na meron tayong promotion. This is for the local talents. We're doing this for the greater good. So it would be really helpful kung matutulungan niyo kami palakihin itong community nito. So give us a follow on our social media platforms. Thank you.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Mr. Bern Soriano, of course, Mr. Franz Valentino, and Mr. MJ Esporas from Zeus MMA for joining us this morning. Good luck po sa inyong upcoming event.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Thank you for having us.